Okay, some of us might know what field trip is, and some of us might not. Because what is this game? If you don't know what it is, you basically go on a field trip to the museum, guys. See? Okay, yeah. If you haven't seen Dennis's video, go check it out. He plays the same game. See? I just knew this has a lot of dislikes, but also more likes. That's cool. That choose a path and fly. The limit on the screen recorder, guys, is 15. I don't know, 15 minutes. Yeah. I'm just gonna go for the screen. Okay, I'm just saying, dude. I have Roblox downloaded. Okay. Ooh. Yeah. Guys, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for Dennis's vid. Why do I have no legs? That's just creepy now. When are my legs gonna spawn? Oh, here they go. Here they go. Twitter codes. Yay. Twitter codes. Twitter codes. No, just Ethernet. And it's Starjet12. I should invite my friends to create a game with me. Because I really need help. Oh. What's going on? Why are we not leaving? Hello, Exo. When are we leaving? You just have this much people on our server, right? You don't have to have a whole lot. These people are trying to get in this bus. It's not full yet. To go, we need it to be full. I guess a nope. Can't stand up on this video. So this guy has one fat leg, one fat arm. So this is fat. This one says fat leg. That says fat arm, and that says fat torso. XD. Yeah. Hello. Dude. Hello. Hello. XD. Yay. LXO. Let's go to the museum. Starting game. Welcome to the Roblox Museum. Is this sound up? Is this sound on here? That's not sound. Okay. So, just like camping, guys, this might be a little scary. Look at this. It's an apple. Ooh. It's a very rare fruit. They're native traded. Those are the guns and islands. Curse. Ooh, spooky. I won the Apple Award. Good. Let's follow this lady. She seems to know what she's doing. And this is big giant duck thing. The epic duck, a magnificent creature. Really? It looks mad at you. It is so amazing. Okay, epic duck, a magnificent creature. Okay. Let's keep looking around. Good job. Good idea. Let's look over here. So a little hole over here. Bing bong, bing bong. Art. Yeah, I guess. Damn it. Damn it. Did you say damn it for fun, dude? Alright, let's follow this woman. Alright, let's go check out the new exhibit. Yeah. Right. Oh, this looks spooky. Okay, class, gather back around. What's this? What? This is like the night music class. What's all the smoke, guys? So making a weird noise. Yeah. What is that smoke? I'm leaving. I'm out. I'm scared to death. I'm scared to death. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. Ah. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. No, I'm not. Oh shoot. Am I the only one remaining? Okay, I'm not. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh guys. Oh. Uh. Oh no. No. No thanks. Where are you trying to go, dude? Looks like you're stuck. What was that? Yeah, and then this guy just helped. What is this? I need shoes. That was terrifying. Let's gather back around. Half the class died. It's getting late. I think it's time to go to bed. And why did you teleport me out of my bed? Alright, fine. This woman and I will share. Get security to check it out. Yeah, that's quite terrifying, actually. Ready for bed? Yep, okay. I'm ready. That was scary. Dude, no way. I bet there was a jump scare when those people died. Car's gonna, oh no. Hopefully this can switch it back on. What if that thing comes back again though? That's what I'm worried about. Careful, I think the monster is looking around again. Yes, exactly. Exactly. I should create a game like this. I think so. Hi, Bacon Man. He's scared, like me too. Trying to say something. Do one of us need to go? Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot! Oh no. It's gonna kill. That's it. I got killed. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just need to go to the toilet. Let's begin. That was scary. Now break that shit. Can I private chat with this person? Now break that shit. I want a private chat. Come on, dude. Circus. Family friendly channel. Starting game. This thing is terrifying. The thing is so freaking scary. New gift. Alright, have fun. Yeah. Okay, listen to me. It was like a racist. Racist. Who cares? Use me as your key. Racist. Yeah. Wow, look at this. It is so cool. Yes. It's enough. Those pet them. Came rather slowly. Yeah, I want to eat it. I want to eat it. Alright, yeah, I got the Apple Seed Award. What's this? It's a Nyan cat? No, that's not a Nyan cat. Should we check out the new exhibition? Duck, a magnificent creature. Oh yeah, it is so amazing. Epic duck. Tear, tear, tear. What is tear? Epic creature. Let's keep looking around. I'll beat you up in the black kid. He racist. He is racist. He is racist. Racist, yes, I know. Let's go and check the new. That is strange. So creepy. Gather back around. Goodbye, I'm gonna listen to the fun music. Racist people. Exactly. Yeah, racist people. Ah, shit. How much seconds to run? Let's go, 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 policeman! Oh, hell nah, I'm escaping. Just keep on running. Oh my god. We're good, right? Oh crap. That was terrifying. Again. Oh my god. I'm so scared.